Cooking Explorer. Hi guys! Today I'm gonna show you how to make a kimchi salad. Come, let's go to the video. All we need is napa cabbage. Let's chop the napa cabbage first. Sprinkle some salt over chopped napa cabbage. So this is going to draw the moisture out of the cabbage, so it can soak up all those good flavors later. Next, we'll make the flavorful paste. So that I have taken 2 tables of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 cup of water. Give it a good mix. Let's transfer in a pan. Let's transfer into a bowl and let it pass. Ginger, garlic, chopped onion and fish sauce. Blend it. To the rice paste, add some chili flakes, chili powder, blend ginger garlic paste, chopped cheese, chopped carrots. Give it good mix. Add salt to the paste as up to your taste. Rinse off this cabbage and give it a good squeeze, and then mix it together with the paste that we made along with some carrot and green onions. Everything is mixed together. Go ahead and get a clean glass jar and you can enjoy it like this, but I like to let it ferment for a few days. I made this less spice. You can add more spice as you prefer. Hope you guys enjoy my video today. If you like my video, give a thumb up, share with your friends. Share your experience in my comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell button for get more notifications. Thank you.